Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour by noon. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Wednesday through Monday. There is
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune your TV to Channel 3 for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Montgomery County Sheriff's Office is searching for Keegan SCHUCHARDT, white, male, 3 days old, date of birth 4/14/12, 6 lbs 15 oz. Police are looking for a skinny black female wearing gray sweatshirt and blue jeans. The suspect was last heard from in 25,230 Burrough Park Drive, Spring, Texas. The suspect is driving a light blue 4-door newer model, possible LEXUS. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office at 936-760-5876. News media point of contact is Montgomery County Sheriff's Office at 936-760-5876.